Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
जैसे ही खबर सुनी कि ओके उडारिया इज गोइंग ऑफ एयर इट एक्चुअली मुझे दोबारा वो दुख दर्द हुआ बिकॉज इट फेल्ट लाइक it was a legacy going on, a big legacy जिसका I'm grateful that I was a part.
True.
For me, मतलब when I saw, I was like, okay, horrible. Because समझ नहीं आ रहा था, it was all new. With the name of खूबसूरत,
Okay.
which we shot for like 13-15 episodes.
Okay.
And unfortunately, I got to know that I am not going to be a part of it because I do not fulfill the criteria of having 1 million followers yet on Instagram. So being an actor, मेरे अंदर जो कीड़ा है वो ये बोल रहा है कि मुझे जल्दी से जल्दी काम करना है.
Hello Twinkle, welcome to India Forums.
Hi,
Firstly, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. I want to ask few questions जो आपके fans भी जानना चाहते हैं, हम भी जानना चाहते हैं. So let's get started with that.
Yeah.
Firstly, हम सबका favorite show उडारिया has gone off air.
Yeah.
And हमें थोड़ा ऐसा दुख दर्द हुआ, but I want to know about you.
मुझे तो दुख दर्द ये एक साल पहले ही हो गया था. So मेरा दुख दर्द था. हाँ. जैसे ही खबर सुनी कि ओके उडारिया इज गोइंग ऑफ एयर इट एक्चुअली मुझे दोबारा वो दुख दर्द हुआ because it felt like it was a legacy going on, a big legacy जिसका I'm grateful that I was a part.
True.
And it was a beautiful journey for I think all the generations. So लगा बुरा लगा but then ये भी लगा कि कुछ बहुत अच्छी चीज बन के गई है.
Yeah.
Everybody knows what to do. So it
Yeah,
was
true
nice.
that. If I may ask, आपकी ऐसी कौन सी मेमोरी जुड़ी हुई है उडारिया के साथ, you know, which will carry with you lifelong?
I have so many memories. I can't only tell one. I have so many memories. My first day on set. For me, it was. मतलब when I saw, I was like, okay, horrible. Because समझ नहीं आ रहा था. It was all new. कोई अच्छी memory, I would say. Laughing on set, having lunches together, dancing on set. Whenever dance sequence used to come, मेरे को बहुत मजा आता था being a dancer. And being on set was the best memory. Every day, whether hectic, whether not, ऐसा नहीं था कि सारे दिन happy go lucky थे.
Correct.
There used to be days when I used to be physically, mentally exhausted. But
Yeah.
I loved those days and I want those days to come back.
Correct, absolutely.
Always nice. I think there was a prank which somebody did on Kavita ma'am saying कि आपने एक prop तोड़ा है and it's gonna cost you like around 40,000 and वो serious मतलब she got scared that oh fuck उनकी वजह से scene रुक गया या something which was nothing was true. It was all made up. So that was fun.
Well, as you said, आप mentally, physically दोनों तरह से exhaust हो जाते थे. And if I'm not wrong, इसकी shoot पंजाब में होती थी,
Yes.
right? तो who was that 2am friend या 2am person जिसे आप call करके, you know, used to feel better?
My sister.
Your sister?
Otherwise honestly at that moment life was so fast कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था किसी से बात करने का. Honestly मेरा जो कॉलेज सर्कल है उनसे भी मैं थोड़ा डिस्टेंट हो गई थी मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ. बट आई एम ब्लेस्ड कि उन्होंने समझा कि it's her work. I would say it was my family and few friends. जैसे there's this friend of mine साक्षी and अमरदीप and जोश. ये ऐसे हैं, ये चंडीगढ़ में they used to stay nearby
Okay.
only. And Sakshi used to work in Gurgaon, so she used to come day before and stay with me. She knew कि मैं बात नहीं कर पाऊंगी because I used to come home at 2 or 1. तो वो नींदों में मुझसे बात करती थी. वो अपने आप अपना नाइट स्टे प्लान करती थी. She used to come, she used to hug me and sleep.
How
and
sweet.
That's how she maintained that friendship.
How sweet.
So yeah. So I just had to
friendship दे अभी अभी गया and I think we've got a very nice memory from Twinkle about her friendship. Moving ahead, जैसे कि आपने कहा everything happened so fast back then. Fast तो life चल रही है because of social media, लोगों के followers and you know fans and all of that. If I'm not wrong, correct me. According to reports, you signed a show for Sony TV known as Khoobsurat, but it got scrapped.
Sony, no, it was Colors which got
Okay, it
scrapped.
was for Colors. Okay.
खूबसूरत.
And according to reports, the issue behind that was they wanted someone with a good following. For
You are mixing two different stories.
Okay.
So there was one show
Mm-hmm.
with the name of Khoobsurat,
Okay.
which we shot for like 13-15 episodes.
Okay.
And unfortunately, everything was going nice. Even trust me, not because I was a part of that show. When I heard the story, I agreed to do the antagonist because the story was nice.
Okay.
It was actually nice, fun.
Correct.
I don't know what went wrong. We still had hope that the show would come back,
Okay.
but the show has gone scrapped. So that is another thing.
Okay.
Then there was another show. I can't reveal.
Yeah, name that. Yeah.
But yes, everything was nice. But I got to know that I am not going to be a part of it because I do not fulfill the criteria of having 1 million followers yet on Instagram. So that has been a part of our journey now.
But don't you think this criteria is a little bit weird about having certain number of followers?
Of course, that is frustrating because a lot of places, specifically web and everything, it happens. They ask you, they judge you on the fact that you don't have those much of followers because
Correct.
now followers have become a way or a standard of showing something.
True. True.
So it's not that you have cracked something or not. It's more about, okay, you don't know the craft, we'll teach you the craft, you should have followers. Otherwise, पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. And me
Absolutely.
as a person, you must have seen, the people also see that
Yeah.
I don't regularly post.
Correct.
When I have to post regularly, that is actually a tension for me. Okay, Instagram में बहुत दिनों से कुछ गया नहीं है. I
हाँ.
have to post.
Correct.
While I was in Odaria, I was posting my work, I was posting it from my heart.
Ji.
Now I have to think and
True.
post because why? You have to be active on social media.
Correct.
But me as a person wanted and still would work in that direction. Try यही करूँगी कि मेरे काम से Instagram grow, मेरे Instagram से मेरे काम. You understand?
I know that. Well, lastly, before we want to know what kind of role is Twinkle looking for now?
I am looking I am an actor and I would love to prove myself on screen in all the genres. So I would love to do action. I
Okay.
would love to do drama.
Mm-hmm.
I really want to do comedy because I think I can, but I've heard that the comedy is the most difficult one.
Yes.
So emotional I have done, but I will not say no if I get anything. So being an actor, मेरे अंदर जो कीड़ा है वो ये बोल रहा है कि मुझे जल्दी से जल्दी काम करना है. That's my whole agenda, and I would love to do action or something
We would
drama.
love to see you doing action.
I would.
Tathastu for all of that.
Thank you.
Wonderful. That's all that I had in store
Thank
for you,
you.
Twinkle. Thank you so much for talking to us. Signing
Thank
off.
you.
This is Nikita Bagwan with cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.